Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you Kubernetes installation. So we can install Kubernetes in four ways. So what are these ways? Here we have kubeadm way, minikube, kops, k8s in GCP. Here k8s means Kubernetes. There's no difference between k8s and Kubernetes. Some people may call Kubernetes as k8s. Okay, there's no difference. So in this session, I'm going to teach you kubeadm way. So how we can install Kubernetes in kubeadm way. So basically my installation it will be in four steps. So I have segregated the installation in four steps. So in four steps only I can install the kubeadm. Okay, so for that, first we need a master node and a slave node. We can take any number of slave nodes. For me, I need one slave node. Okay, so I'm going to create a master node and a slave node. So go to launch instances. Here you have to take I'm taking ubuntu os. In this ubuntu os I'm taking 20.04 only. Okay, don't take 22.04 because it is the latest version. There are some issues in this os for kubernetes installation. So if you use this os you may get some problem while installing kubernetes. Okay, that's why I'm taking 20.04 as my os version. So select it. Okay, for installing kubernetes we need two cpus. Okay, so that's why I'm taking t2 medium. Select it, add storage, tags. Here you can give k8 master. Okay, I'm giving my existing security groups. Okay, all traffic I have given and ssh. Reveal launch the instance. I'm taking my sample key pair. Okay, now I launched my master node. Now I'm going to launch my slave node. I'm taking ubuntu os. I'm selecting 20.04 version. Okay, here you can take one cpu. It is more than sufficient for a slave node for practice purpose. So I'm taking one cpu. So don't take two cpus because it may charge. So for master node we need t2 medium, but slave node it is enough t2 micro. So select t2 micro, storage, tags. Here you can give k8 slave. Okay, I'm giving existing security groups. You can give, yeah, okay, I'm taking this one. Launch it, launch the instance. Okay, so now I have successfully launched my k8 master and k8 slave. Here you can see both are running. Just wait, my k8 slave is in pending state. So it will, yeah, it is running. So now I'm going to connect my k8 master. Take the public ip and go to session, ssh. Username is ubuntu. Take the private key. Okay, I have connected to my k8 master. Just rename this server as k8 master for my identification only. Okay, clear it, make it as a root server. Okay, now it is a root user. Now I'm going to connect to my k8 slave. Just select it, take the public ip, session, ssh, remote host, ubuntu. Select the private key. Okay, now I have connected to my slave node. Just rename it. Okay, now I have successfully connected to my k8 master and k8 slave. Now I'm going to start my installation process. So let me open my Word document. Here I have mentioned all the steps. Okay, divided the commands in four steps. Okay, so we need to do this process in both create master and create slave. So just copy these commands. Don't copy this because already I'm in root user, so we don't need this. Okay, so just I copied this, go to create master and make a file called install.sh. Okay, just paste it here and save it. Okay, now run this file. Okay, here you can see I'm not executing every command one by one. Okay, I'm executing all the commands at a time only. Okay, so that's why I'm taking this one as my step one. Okay, now do the same process in slave also. Okay, create my file and paste it here and save it and run the command. What happened? Reading package list 10 could not restart docker service. Just open here. It is asking password. We don't provide. Just wait. Just open the file. Let me verify once again. Apt-get update, apt-get install docker IO. Okay, everything is perfect. Okay, let me save it. Let me run it again. It is asking what? Asking permission denied. Could not open log file. Okay, just wait. It has some password. So let me see whether master it is finished or not. It is successfully completed all these commands. So let me, yeah, okay. I just got the, I know where I got this error. Here you can see I'm in Ubuntu user. So please go to our super user sudo. Right, okay. Now you can see the file instance.sh. Just paste the commands once again. Okay, now save it. Now run the command. Now run the file. Now it will execute all the commands. Okay, the problem is that we were in normal user and we are executing all the commands, so it won't execute because we are not providing sudo su. So that's why we got that error. Now it is executing all the commands successfully. Here you can see gate master is executed all the commands. Now go to step 2, execute this command. Just copy it, do the step in master only. Okay, now copy it. Okay, it will create a token. So with that token we are going to connect with our slave node. Okay, so it may take a few seconds to create a token. Let me see whether slave node is completed or not. It's still executing all the commands. And you can see here in these commands we are also installing docker. Here you can see I'm installing docker also. So in Kubernetes, docker also, it's a part of Kubernetes. Okay, so that's why we need to install docker in Kubernetes also. Okay, let me see. Yeah, here you can see it is, we got this token. Okay, with this token we are going to connect with our slave node. So let me copy this and paste it in slave node. Yeah, here in slave node it executed all the commands successfully. Now I'm going to paste the token here. Here now you can see this slave node will going to connect with create master. Here you can see this node has joined the cluster. Okay, now going to document. Our step 2 is executed successfully. Now I'm going to execute these commands one by one in master only. Okay, I'm in master, copy it, and now second command, copy this, and third command. Okay, Now I successfully executed all these 3 commands. Now fourth step, this one also in master. Okay, yes, it is executed. Now second command, yes, here you can see it is created. Okay, now let me check whether my slave is connected to my master or not. Okay, so for that we need to run this command kubectl get nodes. Here you can see there are 2 nodes. One is my master node and other one is my slave node. Here you can see IP addresses 6 and 162. 162 is my master node, 6 is my slave node. Okay, so successfully I have installed my Kubernetes and I have connected my slave node to my K8 cluster. Okay, so this is the way to install Kubernetes in kubeadm way. Okay, that's it guys. So if you like my video, please do subscribe and share this video to your friends. Okay, if you have any doubts, please do comments in comment section. So I'll answer to every question. Okay, thank you so much guys.